Today's intention. I give myself permission to be okay with not being okay today. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to Vlogmas episode number 5. I'm gonna be real with y'all today. This episode is super low key because honestly, your girl has just been really feeling the holiday blues creeping in. This cold weather, the lack of sunlight, and just feeling drained. It's been a lot. I haven't had much energy these last few days, and I know I can't be the only one feeling like this. So today, instead of trying to be on for the cameras, I've decided to just lean into something very simple, just getting up and cleaning. Sometimes the smallest tasks are the things that pull us out of a funk. So when my space feels a little out of order, I start to feel out of order too. And even though I didn't feel like it, I knew that moving my body, wiping things down, and creating a little calm in my home would help shift my mood. All throughout the day, I just kept motivational talks playing in the background as just like little reminders that I'm still growing, I'm still healing, I'm still resetting and rediscovering myself. And honestly, they helped. Sometimes we just need a gentle push, a few encouraging words to remind us that we're not alone and that brighter days are coming. So this vlog is simple, just me easing myself out of a low moment and trying to create a peaceful space again. If you've been feeling low too, I hope this reminds you to give yourself grace. Give yourself grace and maybe do one small thing today that helps you feel a little more grounded. Again, y'all, it's your girl, Tracy. Thank y'all for being here. I love my tribe. I appreciate you guys showing up for me, and I just want us to keep showing up for ourselves as well. So, even in the quiet moments, show up for yourself.
In the visible realm of matter, it means knowing that there's a power working behind the scenes that's orchestrating everything for your highest good. And here's the beautiful paradox. When you live this way, when you give everything to God and stop worrying, you actually have more control over your life. Not the ego's version of control, which is really just an illusion anyway, but real influence. You have the power to shape your reality through your consciousness. You have the ability to attract what you want by becoming a vibrational match for it. You have the capacity to create miracles by aligning with the miraculous. This is your true power. Not the power to force things to happen, but the power to allow things to happen. Not the power to manipulate circumstances, but the power to flow with the perfection that's already unfolding. Not the power to fight against what is, but the power to accept what is and trust that it's leading you somewhere better. So right now, I want you to do something. I want you to take a moment and think about what you've been worrying about. What's been keeping you up at night? What's been weighing on your mind? What problem have you been trying to solve all by yourself? Get clear on what it is, and then consciously give it to God. Say it out loud if you can. Say, I give this to you. I can't handle this on my own. I'm tired of carrying this burden. I trust you to resolve this in the perfect way at the perfect time. Thank you for taking care of this for me. And then here's the most important part. Let it go. Really, let it go.
So, girlfriends, I like to stock my refrigerator with all types of refreshments. So, when I have company, I can offer you, something to drink, whether it be water, calypso, or soda. I bought groceries a week ago, and these have been sitting on my floor, and I'm about to go ahead and put them up.
Shut. Work in silence. 2. Do not tell people your plans until they materialize.
We open our mouths too soon to the wrong people.
3. Never expect to get what you give.
When you expect nothing, you gain everything.
4. Every day you get up, be better.
Set your goals high.
5. Be grateful for everything that you have.
You don't actually value it until you lose it.
6. Sometimes what you're holding on to is the one thing you need to let go of.
Learn to let go of what leaves.
7. If you want to buy things without looking at the price tag, stop watching the fucking clock and work your ass off.
You can do what you put your mind to.
8. God puts people in your life for one reason.
God doesn't give you the people you want. He gives you the people you need.
9. The moment you start to achieve success, the devil is going to come knocking on your fucking door.
And the devil ignores you, then you know you're doing something wrong. Conversely, when the devil comes at you, maybe it's because you're trying to do something right.
10. You're going to always upset people when you do what's best for you.
It don't happen overnight. And there's going to be moments when it's really, really frustrating. And there's going to be moments when it's really, really inspiring and empowering. Things is about being committed to the work. Appreciating it, when it's good and not stressing too bad when it's bad. Just appreciating the work, staying focused on showing up every day.
Surround yourself with people whose eyes light up when they see you coming. 2. Slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. And 3, the top of one mountain is the bottom of the next, so keep climbing.